Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher from Kids University for grade 5. Our today's topics are number 1, exercise of parts of speech. Number 2, prefixes with pre and miss. Number 3, sentence tags. Let's discuss our first topic of today, that is exercise of parts of speech. As we have already talked a lot about parts of speech in class, the definitions of noun, verb, adjective and adverb. But today we will learn that how these words are actually used. Sometimes a single word is used as noun, while other times the same word can be used as verb, adjective or adverb with a little difference in spellings. Therefore, it is essential to know these variations so that in our daily life we can easily identify that in which form the word is used. As when the form of word is changed, the meaning of that word changes too. For example, if I use a word short, let's see how the word short is used. Shortness, that is a noun, means something is relatively of small in size, height or length. Shorten, that is a verb, means to make something less in size or to make short. Short, which itself is an adjective, means the quality of being short in size and used with the noun. That is short pencil, short tree, etc. Where pencil and trees are noun and short is describing them. Shortly, that is an adverb, means soon or in short time or briefly. If I make sentences of all these forms, it will be easy for you to understand the difference in meanings as well as the grammatical variation of same word. If I say that the shopkeeper told the carpenter to shorten the height of tables, she told her hairdresser to make her hair short in size. He was feeling shortness of breath, therefore he decided to go to the doctor. He started to write faster shortly after when he realized that the examination time will be over in few minutes. My dear students, for your further explanation, I am writing here some more examples below. Changing form of words from noun to verbs, adverbs and adjective. Number 1, beauty, that is a noun. Beautify, which is a verb. Beautiful, which is an adjective. Beautifully, which is an adverb. Number 2, creator or creation. Create, creative, creativity. Number 3, decision, decide, decisive, decisively. Number 4, difference, differentiate, different, differently. Number 5, protection, protect, protective, protectively. Number 6, strength, strengthen, strong, strongly. Number 7, decoration, decorating or to decorate, decorative, decoratively. Number 8, terror, terrify, terrible, terribly. Number 9, color, coloring or to color, colorful, colorfully. Number 7, sympathy, sympathize, sympathetic, sympathetically. Number 11, circle, circling or to circle, circular, circularly. Number 12, reason, reasoning, reasonable, reasonably. Number 13, notice, noticing, noticeable, noticeably. Number 14, action, acting, active, actively. Number 15, movement, move, movable, movably. Number 16, success, succeed, successful, successfully. Number 17, health, heal, healthy, healthily. Number 18, collection, collect, collective, collectively. Number 19, significance, signify, significant, significantly. Number 20, blood, bleeding, bloodless or bloody, bloodily. Our second topic of today, that is prefixes with pre and miss. As you have just learned that a little change in any word make a difference, grammatically as well as in meaning too. Here we will learn how prefixes are used to change the meaning of a word. Prefixes are a combination of one, two or more syllables or alphabets added before a word to change its meaning. For example, un, dis, re, none, im, in, miss, pre, etc. Let's discuss prefixes with pre. Pre means before, something before time, order or manner, etc. Example, pre-war, which means before war. There are some more words I am using here with prefix pre. Words, prefixes. Number 1, mature, premature. Number 2, cautious, precautious. Number 3, view, preview. Number 4, heat, preheat. Number 5, paid, prepaid. Number 6, school, preschool. Number 7, historic, prehistoric. Number 8, natal, prenatal. Number 9, requisite, prerequisite. Number 10, cook, pre-cook. Prefixes with miss. Prefix mis, miss, means bad, mistaken, wrong, wrongly, incorrectly, or simply negating. Example, lead means to guide, while mislead means to misguide. Miss is used to make opposite of a word. Words, prefixes. Number 1, behave, misbehave. Number 2, spell, misspell. Number 3, understand, misunderstand. Number 4, fortune, misfortune. Number 5, use, misuse. Number 6, place, misplace. Number 7, take, mistake. Number 8, interpret, misinterpret. Number 9, guide, misguide. Number 10, match, mismatch. Our last topic of today is sentence tags. Tags are short additions that look like questions used at the end of a declarative sentence. They are sometimes called question tags, but many sentences ending with a tag are not real questions. They are usually used to check that the listener agrees with what the speaker has said or asked. Sentence tags are very common and used in spoken English, but not in formal written English. There are few things to follow when you are making question tag. The tag is added to the end of statement. If the auxiliary verb be or have or a modal verb like must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may and might is a part of verb phrase in the sentence, then it is used as the verb in the sentence tag. For example, it isn't raining again, is it? You have seen the program, haven't you? Well, we can't jump over it, can we? You will come, won't you? If the main verb is in the present simple or past simple tense, the tag is made using do. For example, he certainly likes eating, doesn't he? I slipped up there, didn't I? In negative tags, an apostrophe T is added to the auxiliary. Note that the contracted form is always used. For example, he certainly likes eating, doesn't he? I slipped up there, didn't I? They went with you, didn't they? The pronoun in the sentence tag must match the subject of main verb. For example, you aren't listening, are you? He reads a lot, doesn't he? Sentence tags can be negative. For example, they went with you, didn't they? Or it can be positive. For example, your father doesn't belong to the golf club, does he? Normally, when the first part of a sentence is positive, the tag verb will be negative and vice versa. Sentences in which both parts are positive are less common. These sentences must be used carefully, as with certain tones of voice, they can sound aggressive or judgmental. For example, I see you think I'm fool, do you? So you smoke now, don't you? My dear students, this is all for today. I have already provided the meanings of few words. If you find any word difficult, consult the dictionary. All you have to do is to open up your slide, listen to the audio, and do exercise and worksheet. I will connect with other topic of next week in